Mama, mama, man, don't claim, don't come again, no. You know my name, be a
Olu and Glory took a trip to France together. I knew at that time that it was going to end as it is beginning today. And it is now going to be a union blessed with many happy memories between the two of you. We'll be blessed with love. We'll be blessed with children. And I tell you something, Glory, it is going to be blessed with many more years with Olu. The greatest wealth that anybody can be bestowed upon is the wealth of health. And I drink to the health of the couple. I drink to their union, to their happiness, friendship, long life, prosperity, many children, grandchildren, and this toast to the health, happiness, blessings of Olu and Glory. To Olu and Glory.
Girl, make you go gaga. Go gaga. Baby girl, make you go gaga.